Hi, this is Brendan from Watto Training, and in this tutorial we take a look at driver trainer reporting of incidents, accidents, or any other type of dangerous driving behaviours. Let's take a look at some of the reasons why this might be important. Safety of the learner and others. It ensures immediate and future safety of the learner, the trainer, and other road users and pedestrians. There's also dangerous driving behaviour. If it's not addressed or reported, it could lead to more serious incidents later. Legal and insurance obligations. Some incidents, especially accidents or damage to property, must be reported to comply with traffic laws and insurance policies. Also, it helps protect the trainer and driving school from potential legal liability. Documentation for accountability. Reporting of this type creates an official record of what happened, which is useful if the situation escalates or if there are complaints or investigations later. Further, it supports accurate documentation of the learner's progress, behaviour, and areas needing improvement. Professional standards and duty of care. Trainers have a duty of care to act responsibly and ethically, especially when safety is compromised. Further, reporting dangerous behaviour supports professionalism in the industry. Support for the learner. If the learner is consistently engaging in unsafe driving, e.g. deliberately speeding or ignoring instructions, reporting it can lead to intervention, retraining, or a safety plan. Further, it helps identify if a learner may not be ready to continue lessons or needs extra support, for example, due to health, medication, or behavioural issues. Improvement of training programs. Analysing reported incidents can help improve training techniques, safety policies, and risk management procedures in the driving school. And finally, compliance with workplace health and safety requirements. Driver trainers, especially those working in registered businesses, must comply with workplace health and safety laws, which include reporting incidents and taking action to prevent reoccurrence.